everybody, it's Neil. I have this is an office chair from TOMU, and we're gonna put this thing together and I'll show you guys what it looks like. I'll go up. Does that. This here, I think, is going to be the strength for tilting back. We have slide and tilt. Okay, so let's try that. Whoa, tilt is definitely tilting. And then I can lock it in place by putting it up. There we go. And then sliding. Oh, if you want to sit way back in the chair, you can slide it way back. I don't know if you can see what's going on there. The chair is sliding back. Or you can slide it up. Look at that. Really nice chair. Holy mackerel. Woo! I think you tighten up the strength of the tilt with this. Yeah. So, there, that will tilt it. It won't just fall back. But wow, this is a nice chair. This is solid. Feels like leather. Let me show you all up close out here. Super close here. Let's see what this looks like. This is it here. It's a really nice leather. This is like a breathable kind of leather stuff right there. Really nice chrome. I didn't use the gloves. It came with some gloves to install it, but this is a nice chair. Holy cow. Really nice. Love it. Thumbs up for sure. Oh, here, let me show you all the rest. This is what it looks like back here. So it's got the chrome and this color, look. It's padded on the back too. So if someone knocks into you, they'll be padded. That's a great chair. Super sturdy, really heavy. Thumbs up for sure.